When it comes to rear shocks for your 2004 to 16 F-150, you usually have to compromise between on-road ride quality, off-road performance, and/or the lift height of your F-150's rear end. F-150 lifts Boss Rear Shocks are one of the few rear shock options on the market that are almost perfectly balanced for any application. After getting your truck in the air and unbolting the top and bottom shock mounts, remove the old shock from the truck. Once the shock is out, fit the F-150 lift shock in the bottom mount and slide the bolt through. Move on to the top mount and compress the shock to line up the bolt hole. Once both bolt holes are through the shock, tighten them down. F-150 lifts carefully design these awesome and powerful F-150 rear shocks to give your truck more travel and response, the ability to use up to a 3-inch rear block, all while keeping your on-pavement ride quite remarkably smooth.